This is me Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new opportunity for all the freshers and working professionals. So there is a free masterclass available on generative AI, and that masterclass will be associated with HCL company. So it will be absolutely free for all the students and working professional who want to start their career in AI field. And as you all know, nowadays AI or generative AI is a top notch skills in the market, and if you have the skill in your resume, then you will get lot of job opportunities in your hand. Okay, so let's discuss about the masterclass, and I'll also provide you the link so that you can also register for that. It will be absolutely free for tomorrow, which is 30th of October. So if you are interested to learn about generative AI, you can enroll for this program. So the program is powered by Guvi, and also the program is associated with HCL company. The program name will be Generative AI 101. Here they have provided the details like the date will be October 30, 2025. Time will be 7 p.m. It will be a 90 minutes workshop, and the language will be English. Here you can get the button which is unlock free registration now. You can just click on the button, and it will ask you to fill up some details, email ID, and then you can submit the form, and they will provide you the meeting link in your email ID or your WhatsApp. Now let's discuss about the instructor of the program. So there are two instructors available for this generative AI program. One is Sadia and another one is Surya Prakash. Both have proper experience on data science, and both are working professional in HCL. So you will get a lot of knowledge as well as a lot of practical demonstration in this program, which you can implement in your current jobs, or if you are a student, you can pursue those program on details or advanced form in future as well. So here also they have provided the form. You can just fill up the form, and you can click on the register for free button to register for the program. And here they have provided all the details about the masterclass. You can gather all the information from here, and also here they have mentioned what you will learn in the masterclass. So you will understand about generative AI, you will get all the career growth and opportunities, and also you will get a lot of hands-on skills, which is very important to join in an industry. And last one is responsible use of AI, that also you will learn in this program. So that's all about the program. So students, freshers and working professional, anyone can apply, and if you are from any graduation or any domain, you can apply for this opportunity, or you can say the program. So that's all about the program. If you are interested, you can register. I will provide you the link in the description area so that you can also register for the program. And just keep remember the date, which will be tomorrow, 30th of October. Don't miss the date. And that's all about today's update. If you love this video, just click the like button and subscribe our channel to get regular job updates and course updates like that. Okay, so thank you for watching. Take care and bye.